everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again. So this is a very special day. We are all the way up in Hillsboro getting that bad boy behind me, and it is pretty dinged up, yeah. So this is what we're after for the day. I won the Stuck Art auction. I wasn't able to take you guys along for the auction ride there. I wasn't expecting to win that one, so yeah, we're out here, we're getting after it. This is the new whip, 2011 Ram 1500. I'm gonna try not get run over here by this guy, so gonna get out of the way. But yeah, thanks for joining me again. Remember, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out. We're a small channel, we're growing. So, but yeah, wanted to give you a quick rundown on this bad boy. Don't worry, I aired up my helper springs, so I think we're good to get rolling. Excuse me. It's been a long haul. That was a lot of work. So, but yeah, this thing runs, but it's definitely got a bad engine. So we're gonna swap the engine out, do a little bit of work. But yeah, it's gonna be the new workhorse. So stay tuned for that whole project. That's gonna be a lot of work. We're gonna get after it. So, but yeah, I appreciate you tuning in, checking out the channel, and I'm exhausted. So whew, we're gonna take a really long ride home, real slow. So stay tuned, and yeah, as always, stay frosty. All right, hey, we made it. This is gonna be part 2 of the haul the truck home. This has been quite a ride. Google decided to take me down an incredibly small, windy road that was just the dumbest thing ever. Like, come on, Google, that was awful. But I made it. Truck's intact. It's on there still. That was probably the most challenging drive I've ever done in my entire life, to be completely honest with you. Oh man, I'm stoked we made that. That was the long haul, and we are back at the homestead. Woo! We made it. All right, cool. Well, we're gonna unload this thing, get it checked out, get some parts ordered, and yeah, we'll get back to you with an update as to what's going on next. But yeah, that'll conclude getting this thing home. Woo, man, that was quite a haul. So that was there was a few heart in the throat minutes there. Like, it was, oh man, some sketchiness. So thanks for joining. Again, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't. It really helps us out, and yeah, we'll see you again next time. Thanks.